Welcome back to another media review. Today we're looking at a postcard with a image of a poster, an advertising poster for an event. If we go ahead and actually flip it over for the information, again, postcard, so your address information will go there, your postage up here. And this is entitled ZUNI Rain by Cruz McDaniels. This is the official poster of the 2002 Gallup Intertribal Indian Ceremonial in Gallup, New Mexico. 2002, so they continue with, now in its 81st year, the ceremonial is a celebration of native art, music, culture, and dance. The biggest event of its kind in the world, the ceremonial draws visitors from all parts of the globe. This year's ceremonial runs from August 7th through 11, 2002. And then they continue with event and ticket information and a website. So feel free to research current event scheduling. And if we look at the image itself, you can see very colorful. I'm not going to try to interpret too much of the image, but feel free to draw your own conclusions and do your own research. Again, this is entitled ZUNI Rain. So we see three masked figures, and they're gesturing skyward, and we can see lines crossing the sky in a very colorful manner, so that's subject to interpretation. And we do seem to have a moon symbol as well, so possibly this is representing a twilight or dawn time frame scenario in the image. They may be in the process of some sort of ritual or ceremony, possibly to summon rain. Who knows? So again, postcard, ZUNI Rain by Cruz McDaniels, and this was from 2002. This has been another media review. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. And we also do a series of curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.